Hey, Ryan here, and in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can add a chat widget or live chat widget to any website, like you see here on this website here, where you can capture people's details. And you might think, why would I do that when I can have a form? Well, people like to go and try and speak to human beings, depending on what the business is, and they like to ask questions that a form may or may not necessarily allow them to. So here we've got capturing name, phone number, email, and I'm interested in, and that's going to then allow me to have a conversation with that customer or that potential lead beyond their time on your website. So strap in, I'm going to show you how to do this straight away. So diving straight in, we're going to log into our Go High Level. And if you don't know what that is, it's the system that I use for all my tutorials. I've got a 30-day free trial link in the description of the video below. So we're going to dive in to this sub account, and I'm going to go to sites. So that's on the main area. We're then going to navigate over to chat widget. So we were in quizzes or whatever. I'm going to go to chat widget. Now we're going to go new. Now there's a whole bunch of options here. So you may or may not be aware of how many options there are in Go High Level. You can have an all-in-one chat where the customer essentially picks what if they want to use like WhatsApp, or live chat, or anything like that. Instagram DMs, Facebook DMs, WhatsApp, so on. You can even now do voice AI, which is essentially just talking to a trained voice agent that can handle things like, where's my order? What do you guys do? And so on. Now, SMS is a great one for a chat widget because it allows the customer to leave their phone number. And often this is the case from a consumer behavior point of view. They leave their phone number, they leave the query, and then they move on with their lives. So if they were comparing your product versus, say, 2 other competitors, they're going to do 10 minutes of research, ask their questions, and then move on again. For your ability to get back to those leads as they leave that question is what we're going to demonstrate here. So here we go, we've got our chat widget. You can customize this, change the appearance, change what you say. You might not call them representatives, you might call them something else. And I'm going to say our sales team will get back to you within 1 hour. And then I'm going to hit save. Now you could get the code once we've built that, and you can install this via Google Tag Manager, which is a really popular way for installing different types of tracking widgets on any website, via just inserting the script. As you can see here, it's literally 3 lines of JavaScript that you can just insert anywhere in the body or the footer of the website. So if you say had a website built on WordPress or something like that, you simply copy that and put that in a plugin or whatever the builder or native tool is that you use. Now, if you were putting this into, say, a high-level funnel or website, you actually don't need to insert the code at all. So I'm just going to give this a meaningful name, and I'm going to say live chat demo, and then I'm just going to go and make that change for me. Back to sites, I'm just going to do a new, say, funnel, just to show you one that I've created here. This was a Black Friday clothing store sale that I spun up recently. And if I just go to the settings, what I can do is I can select the chat widget. So the live chat demo is the one that I want to load here. Simply clicking save once we've done that is then going to give me that widget. So I'm just going to do a preview of the Black Friday sale that I created. And there we have our nice widget saying someone from the sales team is going to get back to me. And off we go, we can leave that detail. Now, more importantly, what's really cool here is if you're an agency owner, then you can do this for your customers. So providing access to customer inquiries powered by your brand. Where that ends up is in the conversations area. So what it's going to do is it's going to load in new conversations via the channel, and that's going to create new opportunities for the customer as their inquiries come through that live chat widget. So that's a really great way to start a relationship if you're a marketing agency with customers, to start collecting inbound leads from existing assets they may already have, like a website. You can then start that by saying, this is a great way to get more leads, and then you upsell into the use of something like a CRM like High Level, which of course you can white label and put your own brand on like that. As I said, if you don't have High Level, grab it below in the description. The link is there, and I can help you get set up. My team have an onboarding process that we walk you through to get you up and running as fast as possible. Thanks for that one, and it was fun. I will see you in the next one.